If your WhatsApp account is banned and you're trying to appeal to WhatsApp, but you're getting an error message telling you can't send right now, or you're getting a automated reply every time you appeal from WhatsApp, the video for today is for you. Watch my video completely till the end because you may just get a solution to this problem. If your WhatsApp account is continuously getting banned, the first thing what you need to do is ensure you are not doing any kind of a violating activity on WhatsApp. You need to ensure that you're following their terms and conditions. You're not, doing anything illegal, or you're not spamming and stuff like that. You need to go ahead and ensure that you use the in-app request a review option after you log in to your account. So when you log in, you are going to get an option to request a review. After you click on that button, if you're able to send an appeal to WhatsApp, well and good. Just wait for 2 to 3 working days. I'm very much sure you are going to get a response. But if you do not get a response, if your account gets unbanned and then banned again, what you need to do is, number one, get onto Facebook and do a search for WhatsApp and get to their page. Once you are here, you could see that they have a lot of posts made on their page. Okay, here you post a comment appealing their decision on banning your account. I'm not saying to keep spamming, post a comment on each and every post. No, don't do that. Okay, post a comment out here on one post per day. For instance, this post out here, which is the latest, you could just go ahead and paste a comment like this. Hi, my WhatsApp account was banned for no reason. I never went against your policies. I have tried everything, but I'm not getting a helpful response. All I get is automated responses. I need the account to communicate with my friends and family. That's all I use WhatsApp for. Please, could you help me in this matter? That's it. Just send them this kind of a message, and I'm very much sure you're going to get a response from them via email or on Facebook itself or whatever it is. These guys are definitely going to communicate with you. Now, if this is not working, what you could also do is the second option. Get to Google and do a search for WhatsApp account banned solution. You're going to get a lot of suggestions out here. Get to the help center directly about account bans. All right, click on that option, get to their help center. And once you are here, you could see that you have a lot of suggestions on account bans. You could go through. It's pretty interesting. You could also watch this video. But something very interesting out here is that you have an option to directly communicate with WhatsApp, which is through this feedback box. Just click on no. You get a pop-up like this. What went wrong? Select the second option. The solution doesn't work. Click on select, and then you get a box out here. Paste a message out here. My WhatsApp account is banned. I didn't do anything. Please could you unban it and stuff like that. Okay. Put in your WhatsApp number also out here. And then click on submit and send the message to them. You are definitely going to get a response from these guys. And it is not going to be automated. It is going to be a human response. The third option is to get in touch with WhatsApp directly through their official website. You could just type in whatsapp.com/contact and then get onto this page. Click on contact us out here. And then you are going to get an option to communicate with them out here. Put in your phone number by selecting your country code and then your email address, confirm it. How do you use WhatsApp? Maybe Android. And then put in your message out here again. Okay, and also mention your WhatsApp number in this message. After you put in your message, click on next step, follow instructions, and the message is definitely going to get to WhatsApp directly. You're going to get a human response by doing this also. If you are a person who has been using WhatsApp the proper way and your account is banned, I'm sorry about that. It's very unfair, but all we could do is just give it a try. And I'm very much sure by using any one of these methods, you are definitely going to get a human response and not like an AI response or a response from a robot or whatever at WhatsApp. I hope this helps. Take care, my friend.